In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Rosemary font. All you need to do is open Settings and scroll down to access Display. Following that, scroll down again and tap on Font Size and Style. Now go into Font Style and tap on Download Fonts to access Rosemary 1. Then click on this button next to it to install it, or tap on it and hit Install. Either way, when your new font style is ready, go back to the list and tap on it to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!